Hey guys, I'm doing another walk during the daytime, so there's a Robinson cicada. Well, there's a lot of hummingbirds around right now too. I think I might have just heard an eastern striped cricket. Nice. Yeah, I've done a lot more nighttime ones than daytime, so that's why I'm doing more of these. Southern ground crickets. Oh, I'm hearing the Robinson cicada again. It's funny, like I said yesterday, I think it's funny how last year that was the least of what I had, and now this year it's the most. There's some house finches. There's a robin flying by. Southern ground cricket. I hear a blue jay somewhere out in the distance. Oh, there's a squirrel right there. Cool. Oh, wow. I hear a fall field cricket somewhere up here. Usually I only hear the ones up here at night. That's nice. Sounds like the greater anglewing's not calling today though, which is more normal. That was weird how I heard it yesterday during the day. There's a song sparrow. It's been a while since I've heard one of those. I feel like I've had less of those lately. There's that wind chime. I hear a blue jay again. Another song sparrow. Colombian trigs. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is that old Arias chime or Arius, because one, I don't see a chime that looks like that on their website right now, and two, that chime looks very old. It looks like it's seen better days. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that old one. It looks like a cool one, so I wished it hadn't have gone discontinued. I wonder if it went discontinued around the same time those two festive chimes did. I think that was 2013 or 2014 when those two went discontinued. Maybe one went, I think the one went discontinued in 2013 and the other in 2014. So I wonder if those two could have been the same way or even before. Colombian trigs. I'm hearing a Robinson cicada again. People. Why is your trash can in the road? I swear, people being people. Maybe the person that dumps the garbage did that, not the owner of the house. Because the way our garbage dump works is they have a thing on the side of the truck that picks it up and dumps it in the back for them. The people don't do it by hand. Southern ground crickets. Oh, Robinson cicada. Yeah, see, last year I did not hear them this much at all. I think it's funny how they're the most popular one this year. There's mourning doves flying through. Southern ground cricket. I think I'm hearing a handsome trig somewhere right now. I think I am. It might be a sage trig though. Oh, what the? Again? That sounded like that ticking sound from the greater angle wing. I wonder if those sometimes call during the day. I hope the camera got that. I think I just heard an eastern striped cricket again. Those definitely match the recording more than the other ones I hear, which is why I think they're forest scaly crickets. I'm hearing a handsome trig over there somewhere. Southern ground crickets. I just heard a ruby-throated hummingbird from somewhere. I'm hearing the Robinson cicada again somewhere. There it is. Oh, I'm really hearing the handsome trig from that way, from my backyard. My backyard has a lot of them. Another southern ground cricket. That one sounds a little slower, so that might be a striped ground cricket, but it was still fast, so it could have been the other one. Maybe that individual was just a little cooler. Colombian trig. I'm still not hearing many birds right now. Maybe those are more of a thing you hear during the spring and fall, the migration times. Southern, no, I think that's an eastern striped cricket again. I hope the camera's getting that sound I'm hearing. This is the most I've heard of them yet. I hear Colombian trig nearby. And here comes a car. Not even looking. Is he? Okay, he's gonna let me go. I guess he was looking both ways. Well, never mind. He was just letting that guy out to move the trash can. So I bet you if the trash can wasn't there, he wouldn't have let me through. He would have just cut out in front of me. I swear that's one thing that pisses me off. People are so impatient. They can't even look both ways when they're backing out of a driveway. People are so inconsiderate. They only care about themselves. Southern ground crickets. When I was riding the bus and I passed this house, that guy was outside, so if he's still out here, I'm not gonna go over there because, even though he said I could still be over there, it's just, it's something that, I'm kind of paranoid about. Once someone gets after me for something, I'm afraid to even go near that spot. If the guy's around. If the guy's not around, I don't care. Okay, yeah, I think he's inside. I don't see him over there. Yep, I'm hearing them. The agile meadow katydids. All right, let's listen. All right, I'm gonna go now. Keep walking. I'm hearing a fall field cricket over there right now. Those I normally hear during the day. It's just the ones up that other road that I normally don't hear. Usually those I only hear at night. I'm hearing a goldfinch somewhere. Which of course just stopped. Handsome trigs. Oh yeah, I'm hearing more of those today. There wasn't quite this many yesterday. Oh wow, I'm hearing the John meadow katydids everywhere right now. There's the goldfinch. Hopefully the camera got that. There's some handsome trigs kind of close. Those are one that I've heard those once at nighttime. Only once. Other than that, I've only heard those during the day. There's some that are closer right there. Yep, I'm hearing more agile meadow katydids. Alright, I'm here at this spot where I was hearing where the short wing meadow katydids are. Yep, and I hear some. They're not real loud. In fact, the agile meadow katydids are drowning them out. There's more of those right now. Alright, I'm gonna go. I kinda doubt you heard them. Well, I don't know if you ever hear them because of how quiet they are, but especially right now. There was not even close to this many agile meadow katydids yesterday. What's that I'm hearing? Oh, I think it's a Carolina ground cricket. Nice, I usually don't hear those during the day. Hopefully the camera got it. I'll listen to those on the way back. Alright, I'm approaching. Oh, there's one that kind of sounds nearby. I wonder if I could find it. No, it still sounds too far away. Is it though? Yeah, I can't find it right now. Oh, yep, I'm hearing the, oh, I'm hearing a lyric cicada. Nice. I'm hearing the lesser pine katydids. Oh, and I'm hearing a, let me let that car go by. I'm hearing a, of course it stopped. If it wasn't for that car, I would have got it on video. It was a, Lenny cicada. And here comes a car. Oh, you know what? I thought I was hearing a woodland meadow katydid, but it was just doing shorter calls for some reason. All right, let's listen to these agile meadow katydids now. There's only one though. I'm hearing a eastern towhee somewhere. Oh, there's the Lenny cicada. Nice. I know I got it on camera that time. Yeah, I'm hearing the agile meadow katydids in spots I didn't even hear them in yesterday. I wonder if more could have came out overnight or something. I hear a fall field cricket somewhere. And there's another car coming. Typical. Ugh. People in their trash, I swear. It's so annoying. I'm sure you can hear the fall field cricket now. I think it's weird that Vinyl Nerd only heard one this year, and he only heard it one time, but ever since he hasn't heard it. Oh my god. More trash. People just do not care. Oh, there's some type of two vultures flying around. Hopefully the camera's getting them. I can't see the screen well because of the sunlight. There it is. There we go. Oh, it sounds like there's some agile meadow katydids that's nearby. And the wind's blowing, of course, making it harder for me to try to find it. Oh! Is that one? I think I'm seeing one. Wait a minute. Am I zooming in the right place? I can't tell. Hopefully you guys are seeing it. I can't find it on here for some reason. Oh, no, there it is. I found it. I think that might be an agile meadow katydid. That's cool, actually. Yeah, if it is one, it's the first one I found. Well, I've seen them jump, but I've never actually got to get a good look at them. Alright, it doesn't seem like it's gonna call with me there, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Alright, now we can listen to them. The Lenny cicada called while I was listening. I hope you heard it. Well, I'm gonna go now. I'm hearing a bird of some kind up here right now. Not sure what it is though. And here comes a UPS truck. I'm hearing another fall field cricket somewhere. Oh, people. People, I swear, the people making their motors loud. Like I've said before, they're showing off. They have to be. I'm not hearing much right now. Oh, I hear the Robinson cicada up here again. It just stopped. Of course. I'll let you guys watch the hummingbirds for a few minutes. I'm not seeing any more coming right now, so I'm gonna end the video here. So, of course, right when I end the video. Well, anyway, bye.